Welcome back. This is Franklin from Ask Franklin channel on YouTube. Today we'll be looking at how to configure OSPF version 2 on multi-access network. As we know, OSPF is an acronym for open shortest path first. It's a link state routing protocol for IP networks. It detects changes in topology such as link failures and converges on new loop-free routing structure very quickly. The requirements for this demonstration today will be 3 routers. Any routers will do, but for this demonstration we'll be using Cisco 1941 with iOS release 15.2 for M3 Universe Sub 9 image, and we'll require one switch. Any switch we also do for this demonstration if you want to follow us back at home, but for us here we'll be using switch that will conform to Cisco Catalyst 2960 series with Cisco iOS 15.0 Lambasec 9 image. And normally you'll be configuring these directly from your computer, so you need console cable, but for us here we'll be using Cisco packet tracer to simulate what you'll be doing back home. So we require for the physical demonstration you need console cable and Ethernet cables as well. So we'll just give you a brief look at this is the network we'll be building, the multi-access OSPF version 2 network. Okay, we'll go on now and show you our Cisco packet tracer file. This is the file here. We have the routers already on stage, and we'll now just configure the basic configuration on this router. We'll go ahead and get cable. We're connecting this now to the gigabit Ethernet on the router. I'll connect it to any of the ports on the switch. It doesn't matter. No, I'll probably use straight through cable, not just use straight through cable. It doesn't matter anyway. With this many of the ports we do, and fast gigabit Ethernet 0 as well. Any of the ports here we do, just pick up second ports available, and the fast gigabit internet 0, and the third port as well. Okay, so we just go on now with the basic configuration of these routers, and just for reference sake, let me change the name for this router. Oh no, I don't want to go to the CL yet, just to change the name. No, I'm going to moments. Oh. to be my router 2, and that would be router 3. Why this thing is getting flaky? uh, uh, I'll go ahead now and just start with configuration of this router 1. Normally we're configuring from the console on the Cisco iOS 15.4 15.24 M3 Unisoc 9 image. So we requested here if we want to use normal configuration. I just want to demonstrate to you how to use the basic configuration for you to understand it from the scratch. So I will just select no here and click to return here back. So when I click enable here now, from to just enable and select configure terminal. Conf T will take me to configure terminal. And first I want to change the host name for this router, so I'll give it a host name of router 1. No, oh, my host name was spelled incorrectly. Yeah, he's happy with that. Because see, it's already changed now, the router 1. And I'm just going to go through some basic configuration of this router. So I'm going to disable the DNS lookup so that people won't be able to remotely look up the IP address of this network. So they know domain lookup. Oh, that was wrong. No IP domain lookup. Yeah, that's disabled. And then I'm going to um, give it a password and secret password as well. Don't give it ask FA as a password, and give it a secret password as Frank. Okay, and to ensure that anybody could use either of this password to log in from the console, you just use login line console, no, console 0, then login sync. can now log in synchronously, and to encrypt this password so that any remote user cannot just go get access to the password, we can encrypt the password by also using this command, mm, service service password encryption. Yeah, so it's encrypted now. So as the basic configuration we do for now, just exit from here, we'll come back again to this router. So to test that what we did is working, like logging in with either ask fa or ask or frank, we didn't configure. So enable conf t. Oh, we didn't configure a message banner of the day, so we'll have to just do that now. Banner mot. This is to a message to display to unauthorized users that access is not allowed for unauthorized users. Okay, now because I've not really signed out fully. So now enable, it asks me for password. So if I should use, that's working perfectly. So if I should use frank, I'm already logged in. Because if I exit to know that I was logged in with frank, enable again. If I was to type random any word, tell nope, type your password again. Other random, see, or unauthorized access prohibited, the message is displayed again. Nope, but frank or ask fa, I'm logged in now. No, but secrets. Ask fa. No, now enable again. Ask fa. No, ask fa. Frank. I'm logged in now with frank. Okay, we'll just take a brief break from here, and we'll come back again to complete the configuration of the others, of the second and third routers, and then we issue the multi-access OSPF command, and go through the election process and of the designated router and a backup designated router in the multi-access OSPF version 2 network. Thank you.